ma'am. Good day. My name is Mary Jane Sanidad, 39 years old, married with 3 kids. They are all boys, age 18, 16, and 11. I am a high school graduate. I am a Roman Catholic. My height is 150 centimeter. My weight is 55 kg. I am currently here in the Philippines looking for employer. I have work experience. First, I worked 7 months experience in Singapore from November 2018 to June 2019. I have experience taking care of kids, do the housework, work all around. I know how to cook Chinese food. My employer break my contract because she will travel abroad long time. That's why she sent me home. My second employer is here in the Philippines. I worked 3 years to one employer from May 2020 to July 2023. I do housework all around, taking care of newborn baby. I decided to end my work to my employer because I want to apply abroad to earn a higher salary to meet up the needs of my family and to gain more knowledge and to develop my skill. I am looking forward to work with your family, ma'am. Thank you and God bless.